Hi, welcome back. I'm just talking about the next continuation part of this base of income actually. Okay, as I mentioned in the secondary income, so first is passive income, and second one is very most important. So leverage income. Everybody is eagerly looking for their leverage income, right? So what is it? Leverage income. Leverage income is very simple. So if you are able to utilize other people's talent, skill, and money, resource, energy, whatever they have. Okay, if you effectively utilize those resources and put it in the proven system there, and it should give you the continuous money. That's it. Okay, so where you are going to enjoy the leverage income directly, and most of the people they are doing it the same thing right now. All this is the way of the success. What I can mention. Next, the once you're expertise in that leverage income, you can convert into the asset-based income. Okay, the third point in the second income source. Asset-based income means you have to make sure this whatever you are generating that leverage income, it should give to not only for your generations, it should give to the next generations also. Okay, so that's what where you're going to tap in the top line, and they call it like multi-millionaire or billionaires line there. Okay, from bottom line to move to top line, you should have this leverage of income convert into the asset-based income. Okay, the next category, the most important, money income. What is this money income? You're going to invest the money, and money works for the money. That's it. Okay, so wherever like you feel, maybe real estate, stock market, whatever said and done, like where you are going to invest the money, we should give the back to you the same money, right? Next, most important, like brand income or maybe ambassador income actually. This is maybe already rich people who have been already proven and who have already become brand in the area, so they are getting the money. For example, just Virat Kohli, you take, okay, he is getting more brand income rather than what is playing the cricket actually. Hope you are aware that actually. Okay, even take Amitabh Bachchan, Aishwarya Rai, Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, there are so many examples actually. Can you become that brand? Okay, but to becoming a brand, so you have to go through this process. First you have to work on the passive income, followed by leverage income, then followed by asset-based income. Then by default you're going to achieve this brand income then. Okay, so maybe even brand income is ambassador income also, what we can name it one more word actually. So these are the ways of income or ways of the life. Okay, so if you're still stuck at only one income called as one single income source, definitely during these days you're making biggest mistake in the life actually. I want you to think, okay, so to build your own secondary income sources directly. Okay, see you in the next video. I'm more excited to share again for the next steps of leverage. Okay, stay tuned. Thank you very much. Thank you. Come back. Just here I'm taking you through the next step of leverage. Okay, so most very critical and most important what I can say. So you have to choose the right vehicle to achieve your leverage. Okay, so most important. Why do the people fail in the leverage means sometimes what happens, they are the right persons, they have started at the right time, but they have the some wrong vehicle directly. So can you just see yourself actually, if you are in the wrong vehicle, definitely it is going to lead the wrong destiny, right? Okay, it won't lead you the destiny where you want to be. So most important, so as per my knowledge and experience, to achieve this your leverage, or be it training fraternity or what any area of life, if you want to achieve your leverage in your specific area, okay, there are so many ways. What I found actually around maybe around 70 plus okay ways are there to achieve your leverage income actually. So few of them just I would like to mention here. First point, like a franchisee. See, can you just make it as a franchisee model? Okay. So if you're able to make it, just give a thought how we can make it a franchise model. Okay, like I quote a right example like McDonald actually. So where he is a McDonald person, but where we are eating in the McDonald right now, it's entirely different scenario, right? And you take even Reliance store. Okay, so many examples we can quote like this franchisee models. Okay, so be it a personal franchisee or whatever maybe. So we can just give a thought there. And maybe one more example, like we can make it like retail stores. Okay, assume that now I come from a pharma background, right? I have one medicine like that. No need to have my own pharmacy directly. Already established pharmacies are there. So just I can give it to them. On behalf of me, they are going to sell the product there. That's it. Okay, so that's what actually utilizing those pharmacies, it makes a lot more sense there. And maybe profit sharing also you can think, maybe as a training sometimes a lot happen if you want to develop independent trainers along with your mates, so you can really help them to develop in the profit sharing like 60-40, 50-50 or 80-20, so whatever you feel right thing. Okay, so like this, maybe add-on service also, okay, add-on, or maybe repeatable sales. Like this, there are so many ways. Okay, because of the one time, just I'm sharing with you, there are a few insights you really can think. So, what is the thing you want to do? Okay, I'm going to share one more vehicle there actually, how it's going to help you to understand this to distribute your product or services, or how you can really add the value to the people lives to achieve your leverage there. Okay, stay tuned. In the same part, I'm going to discuss it in the next video. Thank you. See, most of the people they do come and ask me, like, how do I achieve the leverage, Sharon? Like, I don't have any experience about leverage. Okay, can I experience at zero cost? Okay, so of course you have an opportunity. So one of the industry that's I strongly recommend, it's a network marketing industry. It's very very powerful and it's a proven platform, and there are many multi-millionaires. If you take in today's data in India, they are almost doing around 10,000 crores turnover, and they have been estimated in 2025 64,500 crores turnover actually. So that's what the potential is available in India. Where it comes to the USA, around maybe whatever the population size right now, they have around, as per my knowledge, around 2 lakhs US dollar turnover what they are leading in that industry right now. Okay, but choosing again right company with the right person at the right time, it makes a lot of sense there actually. So where I stand with my, I've done my own R&D, research and development actually. So where I'm able to associate with one of the successful company there, and successful the entrepreneurs there actually. So they are all backed up with all mentors, what we can say, and system is there, proven system is there, and a proven company is there actually. Okay, anyway, that I am going to share more. So when we interact in the like opportunities calling you, so that you can really maybe it's just calling you an opportunity, maybe it's your wish where you want to reach. Okay, but overall industry is already proven. This is one of the best industry where you can really explore and understand about the leverage concept directly. Okay, and before concluding this like a third part, okay, so choosing the right vehicle actually, it's very 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 important. So most of the people, what they do actually, by they choose the wrong vehicle, okay, or maybe they keep on changing the vehicles there, then they'll end up with no leverage happening there actually. Again, they believe that actually no, it's not working for me. So what I want to say, I wanted to stick on to the one vehicle there actually. Okay, I want before vehicle, I want you to choose the right vehicle there. You should be rest assured that actually wherever you want to reach destiny, so that vehicle has to be taken there actually. Okay, that much of confidence I want you to take there actually. Okay, before getting to the vehicle, make sure all the R&D whatever is supposed to be done. Okay, so thank you very much. I'll just stay tuned. I'm going to share more about again the next step. Thank you. Hi everyone, hope you're all enjoying this power of leverage, right? Right now I'm taking you through the step number 4. Okay, so how are you going to execute your power of leverage there? Okay, it's the most important point what I can say. So because most of the people they do keep on asking me. So first of all, you should understand like you have to clarify or identify for yourself. Do you want to go your own, or you want to buy, or you want to plug into the already established strategies in the market right now? Okay, so whatever product or service you have right now, so I want you to think this actually. First part, when you want to go for your own, please do remember it takes its own time, energy and resources. Okay, so a lot of things are involved, and even at the same time risk also involved actually. Second part, already they have made some maybe the even number, or maybe they have been gone through the process actually. Okay, no need to reinvent the wheel there, so just you can plug into the system there actually. Okay, so one of the like I got an publisher actually, so he was asking me, do I need to go for own publications, or do I need to go for with already who are already known for the publication? Then I given him the two choices actually. So if you want to go for your own publication, again it takes the same thing what I explained here actually. Second part, you already have the existence referrals there actually. But only thing is you may lose maybe 10 or 20% is already there, right? So that's what actually I mentioned there. You choosing the second part there actually. Okay, it's all your wish. So how do you want to go? Okay, and most important to see, please do remember when you are executing the strategy for the leverage. Okay, please do remember in the bracket, okay, and in our mind, minimum it takes you 10,000 hours investment when you want to establish your leverage, or maybe 3 years you can count it on, okay. So whatever the number you can feel suitable. Lesser than that, don't say yourself, I've tried myself best to execute my layers, but I couldn't. No. Okay. This is very, very important. Anything, if you wanted to have your own experience there, so please do have benchmark for this 10,000 hours or maybe 3 years. Until unless don't say maybe failed or pass, whatever it may be. Please do remember. So while once you have started the leverage now, you have to keep on digging the well actually till you get the water there actually. Don't give up there actually. So this never give up attitude also has to be there when you are executing actually. So stay tuned. I'm just going to share with the next step in my next video. Thank you.